Hi friends, welcome to day 232 Daily Current Affairs. After a long break of 1 month, we are going to start our session again with some collaborations of some research scholars. For coming to first news, the UK will host the 26th UN Climate Change Conference of the Parties COP26 in Glasgow on 31st October to 12th November 2021. Coming to this news, it is going to be an important question for any competitive exams because nowadays all the countries are focusing on the climate change. It is a burning issue, so all exams can concentrate on this topic. Coming to COP means Conference of Parties. This was started under the United Nations Climate Change Framework Convention UNFCCC. This was started in 1994. After this, in 1995, first COP was started. This is in Berlin, Germany. Okay, first COP, it may be also important because it is a starting conference of parties. When coming to the last year's COP, it is COP 25. It was held in Madrid, Spain. It was held in Spain, and the next year also there will be planned schedule for this conference of parties. So when coming to the next year, that is COP 27, it is going to be held in Egypt. Okay, so here you can get some points. It is UNFCCC. It was started in 1994, and COP1 it held in Berlin, Germany in 1995, and COP25 it is last year in 2020, COP26 it is 2021, and COP27 2022. These are some sequence of issues happened regarding conference of the parties. Coming to the next point, the COP26 summit will bring parties together. This is about what COP will do. Means COP26 is a summit involving several countries which want the means emissions, the industrial emissions or the pollutants, they want to decrease, and they want to control the global temperature rises. They want to limit it by 1.5 degrees Celsius. Means it should not rise more than 1.5 degrees. Okay. This is the Paris Agreement goal. This belongs to the Paris Agreement goal. Next, coming to the next point, the UK is committed to working with all countries and joining forces with civil society companies and people on the front line of the climate change to inspire climate change action ahead of COP26. Means their UK is the hosting country for this year's COP. So they are focusing to mean joining the all civil society companies. The major pollutants are the civil society and the companies. So if the targeted people, if these are the targeted points, then the pollutant emissions can be decreased. And thus coming to the slogan of the COP26, it is uniting the world to tackle climate change. So it's a simple slogan, and but it changes the face of the climate change. Okay. Next, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi said called on the rich nations to set a target of. This is about Narendra Modi said to the news that all the developed nations, means the developed countries, can contribute their 1% of GDP for financing the green projects in developing countries. This will be helpful a lot because the developing countries are is in a situation that there are a scarcity of the finance. So if developed countries they can spend at least 1% of the GDP, it will be helpful a lot to the developing countries so that they will focus on the green projects and that directly the emissions can be decreased. Okay. Next, coming to these are in the first slide we have seen the issues all about COP because it is from 31st October to 12th November. So it's a almost a 12 days program. So the news coverage will be more on the COP because it is an burning issue. So coming to the COVID-19 vaccine related issues, Australia is legalized the Covishield and Covaxin of Indian made vaccines to allow the public to their country who taken vaccination of Covaxin and Covishield. Coming to next news, other countries which recognized India-made vaccines are, it is related to this only. Means the other countries which are recognized these vaccines like Mauritius, Oman, Philippines, etc. Coming to the cricket news, Virat Kohli led India lost a clinical New Zealand by 8 wickets. Yesterday there was a match between New Zealand and Kohli T20 World Cup match. In that India lost by 8 wickets. Okay. Coming to the today's last news, NASA astronauts have managed to grow chili peppers in space. This is also going to one of the important questions in some state competitive exams or SSC related exams, because they can. This is a direct GK type question. Means where the which astronauts are used started developing chili peppers in space. It's going to be NASA astronauts. Okay, these are today's daily news and current affairs. We'll continue with tomorrow daily news and current affairs tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.